Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Meta Business Suite when it is not opening to Instagram in 2026. Now, if your scheduled posts fail, drafts don't publish, or Instagram simply doesn't update, you can try this particular method. So first of all, you need to open your Meta Business Suite. Over here, tap on the Tools tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now go to the settings of your device. Now over here in the settings, you just have to look for the option of your Instagram account. Right next to it, you will see the option of connect. So you just have to tap on the connect button and it is going to redirect you on the next page where you just have to connect your Instagram. If it is already connected, it is well and good. Just make sure that it is connected properly with your Meta Business Suite application or account. If the connection is broken, the posts will never publish. If needed, you can try removing the account and reconnect it. After reconnecting, simply confirm the permissions. Just make sure that Meta Business Suite has access to your postings, schedulings, content management. Missing permissions also block the publishing. Now, if the connection looks fine but the posts still fail, you can close your Meta Business Suite completely and then you can try reopening it in your web browser on your mobile or on your desktop. If you are using a browser, you can just simply clear the cache. If you are using the Meta Business Suite application, you can also try clearing the cache of the application as well. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.